Okay guys, so thank you for coming today. I really appreciate you took the time out to come check out our company. So the name of the company is codeMghrib. You've heard it already. Alright, so we are a San Francisco based startup that empowers you to self-learn code. Okay, before we explain what self-learn to code is, we will tell you our objective. Okay, what we want to do is create coders in Morocco that have the skills it takes to work in Silicon Valley. That's our objective, is to create people here that can get American jobs. Now, if you don't know what Silicon Valley is, you have come to the wrong place. So just please leave, man. If you guys don't know, you can just go, okay? No, just kidding. I'm really playing. Okay, now, we believe that Silicon Valley is not a physical place, it is a coding challenge. That means today, if you have enough coding skills, you can work in Silicon Valley, literally. If you're good enough, you can work right here from Morocco, you can get jobs in San Francisco. The American dream is not about having stuff. It's not having materialistic things. It's about having opportunity. That's what makes the difference, is having the opportunity to do something, okay? Now, in the US, by 2020, there's gonna be 1 million jobs available. So the United States, there's gonna be 400,000 computer science grads, but 1.4 million jobs. So there's gonna be 1 million jobs in 2020 empty in the United States. So the United States needs developers very bad. The same way Moroccans need jobs very bad. So it can be a mutual relationship. The US, they're willing to hire people from anywhere, as long as they can check you have the right skills. You don't have to be in San Francisco anymore. You can work remotely now. And that's the opportunity everyone has. Now, have you guys heard this term before? Lifelong learning? You guys heard it? Yeah, it's a popular term now, okay? So, that's literally what it is. Lifelong learning. You gotta be learning for the rest of your life. It's the truth. Things have changed. Go to school for 4 years, get a degree, then you get a job, house, car. Doesn't exist anymore. You have to keep learning your entire life, or you gotta stay at shitty jobs. It's just the truth, you know? Now, university takes 4 to 6 years, okay? 4 to 6 years to go to university. Then you have the other guys. I'm sure you guys see these platforms, Treehouse, Code Academy, Udemy, all of these places teach you how to code. But same thing, a month, 2 months, 3, 6 months, a year, depending on how much you're putting into it. Then it stops. Again, if the economy moves, if digital skills move, you're out of a job unless you adapt again. This will never change. So you need something that lasts always, a lifetime. So, but no school is gonna allow you to stay there for life. Okay? No school is gonna allow you to stay there for life. So, what you need to learn the techniques, how to actually learn. Finding the information you need, knowing how to find the information, learning what you need from the information, applying the code to a real life project. And that is exactly what we do at codeMghrib. So we welcome you to the first day of our journey together to Silicon Valley. And with that, okay, Ibrahim has a code editor, right?
Yeah.
Good. Do you have a code editor?
Something like that.
Good. Do you have it? Okay, open it up. I use Adam code editor, but if you guys are using one already, you can use your code editor, okay? So just open up your code editor. Okay, do you guys have a Gmail account?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Go to your Gmail account and then send an invite to codeMghrib.
The email address on the website.
Yeah, codeMghrib@gmail.com. Go to Hangout. Where is the... Yeah, go to Hangout and then just start a conversation or invite codeMghrib. And then you're gonna show up over here somewhere.
I sent you
You sent me an invite?
codeMghrib, yeah.
Okay, look. What is your here?
Tuyo. Chi.
Are you there?
I will send it again.
You see the hand?
Ah, yeah, I didn't get it. Now it's okay. Now you got it.
Oh, very good. There you are.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, just answer it.
Just got the. I have the window now. There it is.
You're in there?
Yeah.
Okay, very good, very good. Very good. Yeah, just mute your mic. Yeah, just mute your mic. Yeah, that's why we had headphones. Remember in the thing? Yeah, we're not gonna use them now. It's fine. But that's why headphones are obligatory because you're always gonna have this echo thing. Because even when you're calling from somewhere, you always have headphones.
Yeah.
Very, very necessary. Okay. Yeah. So that's why. Okay. So Ibrahim is here. So what I'm gonna do? No, I'm tripping. Yeah. This became my screen. I no longer have it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is share my screen with Ibrahim. Okay. All right. So do you see my screen, Ibrahim?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So Ibrahim now is connected. Sees my screen. Now you come on. Go to codeMghrib and. Where is it? You're Yassine?
Yes.
Oh wow, that's amazing, man. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, so you've been here. We've already talked. Okay, so this is Yassine. No, I thought it was a different Yassine, man. I didn't know it was the same. Okay. Good.
You might to deactivate the Chrome notification.
Yeah? Why? The pop-ups? The pop-ups?
For just privacy.
No, I need them for some things.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. There's many things I forget, man, so those things help me. Okay, so this is Yassine.
So I
Here, I'm sharing my
share
screen.
my camera.
Boom.
Now I see your one.
You see my screen?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna go boom. Now, share your screen with me as well.
Okay.
It's not that I don't want to look at you guys, but I need to look at the code.
You know, you can add people to the same call.
No, I don't want to do that. You know why? Yeah, that's a very good point you brought up, AJ, actually. Yeah, we can do a group call, but then this is a personal journey. And again, in a group call,
It's like class.
it's like a class, exactly. Many people, you might have a problem that's going to go undealt with. So here, you know that I can see each person's screen, what they're doing, you know? And then interact with them accordingly. Okay, so these are the screens here. You got to share your screen with me, guys.
Change the window, Yassine. Go to your browser.
Okay, good. Okay, guys, so just pull up your code editor. All right. No, actually, I should have the screens here. And then you guys are gonna see the email. Okay, so where boom. Right. What is that? All right, so you guys got a code editor, that's not a problem. All right, this is the first task, guys, okay? Well, we won't go through this explanation, you know what a code editor is. So create a new file and save as whatever.html. Have you created a file before in HTML? Have you? Okay, so yeah, just create a file, whatever.html. If you have any issues, just let me know right away. Hi, how you doing? How's everything? What's your name?
Khalid.
Khalid. Oh, you're the guy. Okay, good, Khalid. You came right on time. You missed a bit of presentation, but this is the first task. Okay. Okay. Do you have a code editor?
Yes, Visual Code.
What is it?
Visual Code.
Visual Studio. Oh, Visual Studio Code. Good. Very good. Okay. So yeah, just go in and then open up your code editor. No. Okay. Go to Gmail and call me on Hangouts.
Okay, I got your conversation.
Call me on Hangouts, and then you guys just go and do the HTML.
Is there?
Okay, Jay, get this. Okay, so how's it going, guys? Did you create the file?
Yeah, I created.
Yeah. Okay, how about you, Yassine?
Yes.
You created it? Okay, good. So we can move on here. Okay, is this familiar to you? Yeah, sorry, Khalid. Do you know how to create a file in HTML?
Yes.
It's fine if you don't, but yeah, if you do, just go ahead and create a file called whatever.html. But call me on Hangouts first. Who's coded? Ibrahim, you have a lot of code here. What is this?
The file I was working on.
Yeah.
This is the new. Are you seeing my screen now?
Yeah. One second. I'm gonna get back to you. Yeah, I just see a lot of code.
Yeah, this was the page I'm working on.
No, go to something clean.
Yeah, I already did that.
Yeah, you just clean it. Yeah, have something clean. Because I mean, it's confusion.
No problem. Wait.
Very good. Okay, Khalid, just share screen with me. You know how to do that?
What's that?
Yeah, just share your screen with me. Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, here. Boom. Okay, are you familiar with this? Yassine and Ibrahim?
Yeah.
Familiar?
Something in the first line.
Yeah. Yeah, good. What do we use this for? To know that it is HTML file. Exactly. To tell the document that this is HTML. Okay, that's the first thing. Right? You guys know that? Khalid? No?
No, it's the first time.
First time. Okay, good. Thank you. Yeah, always tell me, please. Okay, did you create a file called whatever? .html? Hold on, I'm gonna go to your screen here. Okay, yeah, I can't see your screen, Khalid.
I shared it already.
Okay, good. Yeah, you created it. Okay, so the doc type. No, I think we can switch this thing. Arrangement, mirror displays. It's much easier to do. Okay, boom. So it is. All right. So. Okay. Yeah, it's my first time too doing this, guys. I usually do all this online, so bear with me. It's not as okay. So Yassine, not Yassine, Khalid. Okay. So this right here tells the document that you're gonna be writing HTML. Okay, that's how it is. just doc type in capital letters and then HTML, okay? So yeah, just go ahead and put that in your page.
It's only for the document or also for the browser servers on.
Yes, for everywhere.
Okay.
To tell him, hey, this is an HTML document. You always use that, okay? So you got it? Did you do it? Okay, very good. All right, moving on. All right, so this is the HTML tag. You guys are familiar with this?
Yes.
Yeah. This also you need to have it. This is like what wraps everything, okay? HTML. So yeah, go ahead and write this. I remember, sure.
There is a shortcut that
Tell me, what's the shortcut?
will kill.
I know.
You don't have to type all the.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. But the reason we're not using a shortcut because most people don't know what this part is. You see, like you're saying, there is a shortcut, right? But then you told me you didn't know what doc type was.
Right.
You know what I mean? So the shortcut, it hides you knowing that. These are the small intricacy problems that we deal with that other people don't deal with. Yeah, there's a shortcut. You can go to your editor and put HTML, hit tab, it's gonna give you everything, ready to go. But you need to know it.
Just that.
You need to know it, very important, very important. Okay, so yeah, just go and do HTML like that. So you guys have done it? Huh? Good, yeah. Okay, boom. All right, so HTML is composed of a head and body. So let's create the head. Inside your HTML tags, create a new HTML tag called head.
Yeah, I will do that. Just maybe it's next slide, but header difference maybe.
Say it again?
Maybe there's what's really is the difference between and the importance of head and header. I know it's the header inside the body. I know.
No, header, okay. Head,
It's mandatory.
mandatory, yeah, header. Header tells your page, this is the header. This is like my title area, whatever. That's for the page. But head, body, mandatory from an HTML standpoint. You know what I mean? So, yeah, so inside the HTML tags, write a head tag. Did you guys do it? All right. Okay, so that's okay, did you guys do it? Huh? Good. Any questions? No? Positive, we can move on? Okay. We're just gonna keep this thing open. Okay, so we do tags, boom, hands. So does it look like this? Huh? It looks like this, exactly, right guys? All right, so here it is, all right. We've created the head, now let's create the body. So create a new HTML element called body that comes after the head tag. Good? Everybody's good? All right. This is how it looks.
Yeah.
You guys got it? Okay, good. Moving on. Naturally, you probably want to give your project a name or a title. Inside the head tag, create an element called title and call it whatever, man. Whatever you decide to call your project.
We can give any name.
No, actually, no. Let's do Just put gallery for now.
What?
Gallery, like gallery. Yeah, put gallery. Because eventually we're gonna do a gallery in Bootstrap.
With the 1 L?
Two L's. Gallery. Title, huh? Okay, so does it look like this?
Okay, no.
Yeah, just look at the code, guys. Whatever is missing, just make sure you put it there, and then I'm gonna go and check out people's screens.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the video. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so good. You got it. Okay, so everybody's good?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is funny, man. Like with different people, because we do it one-on-one. It's funny how it's, okay, let's move on. Meta elements. Okay, so the meta element is one of those things you have to write. But you won't understand why, but just write it. Okay, so you need a meta tag under the title, create a meta tag. Okay? But here, check this out, guys. This is right. To know more, just ask Google. On a side note, Google will be your most important companion during this journey. Okay? I recommend that you should not hesitate to ask. Google will always be there for you when everybody else lets you down. So when all your friends leave, family, everybody, yeah, Google's gonna be there. You know? Is this thing still filming, AJ? Huh?
Yeah.
It is, huh? Okay, that's fine. Okay, so this is the solution. Does your code look like this?
Doesn't
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, if you need assistance, also ask AJ.
doesn't need the enter.
For Meta? Very good. Good question. No ending tag. Meta is always like this.
Yeah, it'll
Maybe
stop.
they might be something else.
No.
Yeah, it'll stop you.
Just like
I don't
this.
know when.
You know what I'm saying? Very good question, though. We can always do this, man. Look, check this out.
Yeah.
Meta tag.
But it's only valid in
There it is. See it?
HTML.
Only HTML, yeah. So no closing tag. Okay? And you always have character set UTF-8. Yeah, exactly. That's standard stuff. Okay, it's always there. Just know it's got to be there. All right. So boilerplate HTML, a must. You have to have all this HTML every time in your file. Okay? This is mandatory, guys. You need to have your head, your title, your meta, and the body. Got it, guys? Any questions? Sure.
For the title, yeah. We could add other things other than
For the title? Yeah, you can put anything.
other than charts. Chart.
No.
Anything.
No, that's other meta information. But this is,
We could have other meta information.
you can. But this one is the minimum. But you can have as many as you want. But this one, you have to have this in order for things to work. Okay? So you need to have this HTML all the time. All right? All right, so moving on, there is a requirement. All right, project 0 will be to recreate the Google page using HTML5, CSS, JavaScript. We don't have time to do this, so we're gonna do it differently. Okay? Here's what I need you guys to do. Create a div. Okay? Create a div.
Body?
Yeah. No. All code goes in the body. Nothing goes in the head. Okay? All the code goes in the body. Yeah, so just create it. That's out. Did you guys create a div?
Yes.
Do you know what a div is?
So, the
No.
meaning of
Really?
no.
No, huh? Okay, a div is a container. Okay, a box. It's a box that you put things in. Okay? That's how you express container in HTML, div. Okay? Alright, so now that's a container. Does your code look like this? It looks like that?
We need to use the script.
No, forget script. No, just forget this part. This is JavaScript. Forget it. We don't need it. This one. Yeah, there it is. All right. Div. All right, guys. Good, man. Yeah, no, that's good. That's good.
You understand language?
So this is a box, guys. Okay? Now, inside the box, write some word. Write anything. Hi, how you doing, man? Yes, come in. We started, so just adapt. Adapt. Okay, so did you guys write something? Yes. Okay. Do you know how to run your file in the browser? Huh? Do it. Do you know how to run it? Oh, it's open. Very good. Okay, so you run your file. There you go. So you know that. Do you know how to run a file? Welcome, man.
Thank you.
Welcome. What's your name? Zakaria. Nice meeting you, man. Mohammed. AJ, Ibrahim, Yassine, Khalil. Okay? All right. Do you have a code editor?
Code?
Code editor.
Yes, sir.
What do you use?
I use the code VS.
Sure. Visual Studio Code, like Khalil. Okay. Yeah, so just open up your editor
Okay.
and then follow with us. We're at the point. Okay. Have you ever written HTML
Yes, I
file
did.
before?
I did.
Very good. Are you familiar with this?
Always one.
Very, okay,
Yes.
very good. So now we're at the part we're teaching you what a div is.
Okay.
Okay? So we'll go from here. All right, so a div. Did you guys run it, whatever? Ibrahim, did you run your file?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you run it? Okay, very good. No, it's too, I'm gonna move faster. I'm not gonna do Hangouts because it slows us down. So we're just gonna move faster because we're here now. But the product online, that's what we use, Hangouts, okay? But here we're gonna move faster. Okay, so we got div there. You guys have written something. You just wrote something. Did you put a paragraph tag? Or did you just write something? You didn't put a paragraph. Do you know what a paragraph tag is?
Is it pink one?
P, with a P, exactly. So create a paragraph tag, and whatever you wrote, put it inside there. That's the proper way to write it. Paragraph tag. No, you got it. Yeah, you're familiar. So, boom. Did you guys do it? Did you run your file?
It's the same.
Very good. Very so now I know you understand. Okay. You already found? So you put in a P test. So it looks like this, right? Everybody's code looks like this? Yeah? Well, of course, you roll something different than practicing in HTML5, but okay, so that's P. Let's say you want to represent an image on your page. Then you use IMG. So create an element called IMG.
They want to precise the
Say again.
when the source and the
Source and-
when
Of image.
of image.
Yeah, good. So you know about source. Very good. So represent an image to your page. Put an image on your page.
They put the address in
Huh?
the address from my laptop.
Choose whatever address you want. Yeah, just put an image. Just put an image. You know, that's it. So it could be anything. Guys, make sure you ask me questions if you don't know. Please, man. You know, I really, we can't just. It's not like regular school. You know how we don't tell the teacher what's wrong and we just leave? Let's not do that. Okay, so. Right, so you have source and you have alt. Okay? Alt, you use it in case the browser does not show your picture. Right? You use it there. You know? Good. Let's have picture. Source will be. Well, I don't have anything in source. But anyway, it will be something like this, sf.png, whatever. Okay? Now, do you understand source?
Yeah.
Yassine? You understand source, right? Alt, Khalil,
Yes.
same thing.
Yeah.
Ali, you? Got it. Okay. Okay, so we've done image. Okay, a list. Let's put a list of cities. Okay? A list of cities. Do you know how to represent a list?
With UL.
One second.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Huh? Very good. Okay. So, how about you? No? Good. Ibrahim, you know? Ibrahim answered it. You know a list. Okay, good. Ordered, unordered, you understand the concept? Very good. Okay. All right, so, to represent a list in HTML, you use either UL, which is unordered list, or ordered list. UL, let's do UL. Here, look, check this out. You see that? UL, and then inside, we're gonna put LI, which is list item. UL means unordered list. LI is your list item. I have apples, I have oranges, I have pears, I have meat, cheese, all of that. You know? All right, so UL,
Nice.
LI.
Nice. Give me some orange, please.
Yeah, sure. Coming right up. All right, so cities. SF. York. Casablanca. Okay, so here's a bunch of cities. Okay. Okay. Does anybody understand this? Okay. Do this and then run your code. Okay. See how it looks in the window. Anybody have any issues?
What about the image source?
I don't have a source there, but you understand source, right?
Yes.
Yeah. As long as you understand it, then we can move on. We just stop to see where people are.
Just one thing, you said that we put something out when.
Yeah, thank you very much, man. Yeah, SF picture. This will, let's say my picture doesn't show up on the page, it will tell the user there's an SF picture here. SF is San Francisco, it's short for UK. But it will tell the person, hey, this is the picture that's supposed to be here. So that's it. If you have an Apple Day, it would be Apple picture, whatever. So that also disabled users, people that can't see things like that.
For the user,
The
so
computer-
when he loads the page, in case the picture doesn't show up,
He's